Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to connect Xbox controller to Chromebook. So in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how you can control your Xbox controller to Chromebook using Bluetooth. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing you have to do is to connect via Bluetooth if you want to connect your controller to your Chromebook. So turn on your Bluetooth on your Chromebook, then click on the clock button right at the right top corner, then select settings, then click on Bluetooth and turn it on. Then put your Xbox controller in pairing mode, then press and hold the Xbox button to turn it on. And after that, hold the pairing button at the top of the controller, then until the Xbox button starts flashing, then pair the controller with your Chromebook. Then after that, in Chromebook Bluetooth settings, look for Xbox wireless controller, then click on it to pair it, then wait for connection. And after that, once paired, the Xbox button will stop flashing and stay lit, which means the two devices are both connected together. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can simply connect your Xbox controller to your Chromebook. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.